কিছু দেখে তারা দেখবে পাঁচটা বাবার আমার সামনে তারা মারা বলি তারা ভাই মধ্যে তারা কারণ ওরা কি নগর অনেক হ্যাঁ সম্মান দিয়ে ওর সম্মান আছে মারা গেছে এখানে ভালো করে খা বাবুনে বাইলা মাসিবে বালা সমুদ্র গুণ এই রেকর্ড করি যে বালা সমুদ্র গুণ মাসিবে উগা মাছ দিন না আর নফুন মাছ আঙ্কেলের তো নৌড়ে আর ওকে পাইন না তেলাপিয়া মাছ তেলাপিয়া তেলাপিয়া স্যার মাছ নাই এটা তুমি কি জানো মৌচাক Dear viewers, welcome to my video. And where I am standing right now is the famous Rani Digi, Anaj Bazar Chittagong. As you can see, people are catching fishes with their fish lines. Some of them have got some fishes, and they are using earthworms. They are using earthworms to catch the fish as a bait. This fisherman has caught nearly 2 fishes right now, and lots of them are using different baits as for catching the fishes. As you can see, these 2 little boys. তোমরা এগুলো কি ইউজ করতেছো? কোলা পাউডার। কোলা পাউডার। ওটা হলুদটা কি? এটা ছাতু। ছাতু। আর এটা? এটা এই সাদাটা? কোলা পাউডার। পাউডার। এটা কিনে পাওয়া যায় মাছের জন্য। আর ওটা কি ওই যে বাস এটা? এটা এটা বোলার ডিম। বোলার ডিম। So these 2 little boys are using the wasp nest as a bait, and in the red bottle you can see some powder, and the yellow one they are saying is that maybe made from corn, as it is a corn paste. So they create little balls from the corn paste and just cover it with the powder, white powder. তো তোমরা এই বোলার এটা কেমনে ব্যবহার করো? ডিমি বা কোথায় দেয় যে ওই বই ইয়ার ভিতর দেয় যে ছাতুর ইয়ার ভিতর দেয় যে so from the wasp nest they use the eggs of the wasp and put that egg into the the ball of the made from the corn paste and use it as a clickbait. As you can see, they have made multiple attempts. তোমরা মাছ পাইছো? মাছ পাওয়া না, they haven't got any fishes yet, but they are patiently waiting for their turn. Oh. Lots of fishing lines are here, maybe around 20 fishing lines, and some are using sticks for catching the fish. And as you can see, this fisherman only using some sticks for catching the fishes, and he has been successful still now. Okay, so serene beauty, you can see the sun is setting right away. No clouds. This is the rainy season ongoing, but no clouds right now. And the gentle breeze is blowing, and I can easily feel the beauty, feel the air. It's quite cold, not too much moist. Okay, we can see that he is preparing the fishing line. Someone just joined right now. He is going to set his fishing line, and maybe this competition or the practice will continue till the night, and you don't need any money to catch the fishes right here. He has bought lot of things. He has bought an umbrella because it is rainy season, and someone just caught two fishes right now. I think they are no, they are just making fun of it. So what I was saying, that he has brought a fishing net, an umbrella, a pair of hats that to protect himself from the sun. Though it is in the beginning of the evening, the sun is about to set, and he doesn't need to use the hat right now. If I zoom out, you can see that right out there someone are also catching the fishes, and there is a group of people also curious to get some fishes also. আপনি মাছ পাইছেন? পান নাই না? কতক্ষণ বসছেন? Oh. So these people have arrived here at 3 p.m. and still now it is okay 1 to 2. So these people are waiting here from 3 p.m. and it is quite 6:40. So they have been patiently waiting here for 3.5 hour, and this person haven't got any fish, but he is curious that he will get something today, and I hope they are not using it as for some their big meal. It is not a preparation for their big meal or for their dinner, but they are doing it as a fun. This is a famous Rani Dighi. Look at the sky, so serene. So beautiful sky. Lots of people around. Around, if I am not wrong, around 50 people right now here, actively involved in the fishing. Someone is washing their body. No, they are having bath. So that's all for today. I hope maybe I will meet you next time. And I try to present my beautiful Chittagong. And I am so blessed to be born right here. No development still now. No progress till now. No one just catch another fish. They are trying patiently, and I hope eventually they will get something even to go back to the home and progress. Anggal algo pa yun na 22 তেলাপিয়া মাছ look no এটা তেলাপিয়া মাছ so it was a Nilotica, the baby of a Nilotica. Here we call it as a tilapia or baish. So this boy is saying that he has caught a big tilapia, and oh my god, look, lots of fishes right inside. Okay, big tilapia. It is actually not that much big, but based on the native species, these tilapias will grow this far, not that too much. And they are making fun of me because they are native and I am trying to cover the video on English. Never mind. Actually, I need to study more about the tilapia, whether or not they get bigger than that. Uncle, এই tilapia গুলো এর চেয়ে বড় হয়? এর চেয়ে বড় হয় না? So he is showing that these tilapias will grow around this length. So whatever they have caught right now is in their middle of the age, but still they can be eaten. লাল দিঘি পার আছে, লাল দিঘি পার এত বড় পাতাল, লাল দিঘি পার এখন জানগা এই সিস্টেম মুখালে সম্মুখ। Okay, he just got another one and he is going to release that fish. ছেড়ে দাও, दो पीस का मोला खुशो বইও গিজো। So that's all for today, and I should leave because I have spent quite a lot of time right here. Next time I will meet you for another beautiful view. Till then, goodbye.